video, I'm going to teach you how to share a template using Docusign Esignature. We'll go through the process step by step so you can easily share your templates with others in just a few minutes. Let's dive in and get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Docusign website. For those new to Docusign, it is the #1 platform for electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management, making it extremely handy for handling documents efficiently. Once you're on the homepage, the next thing to do is log in. Look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and then enter your credentials. Be sure your login details are secure to protect your sensitive information. After successfully logging in, you'll be taken to the Docusign homepage. This is your central hub for all things related to your electronic documents. On the homepage, you'll see various options that allow you to manage your documents. Today, our focus is on sharing a template, so let's continue by finding the Templates tab. It's often found in the main navigation menu, so go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a list of all the templates that you have created or have access to. Scroll or browse through your list and find the one you'd like to share. Once you've located your desired template, you'll notice a 3-dot icon, sometimes called an ellipsis, next to it. This icon opens a menu with several additional actions. Click on the 3-dot icon to reveal these options. In the menu that appears, look for an option labeled Share with Users. This feature allows you to share your template with others, whether they are team members or collaborators. Click on Share with Users to proceed. You'll then be prompted to select the people with whom you want to share your template. You may need to enter their email addresses or select existing contacts within your Docusign account. Make sure you have the correct email addresses to avoid sharing errors. Review any sharing settings to confirm that the template permissions match your needs, whether your recipients need to view, edit, or simply receive notifications about changes to the document. After confirming the details, finalize the process by clicking the relevant button to confirm the share. And that's it. You've just shared a template via Docusign Esignature. Sharing templates allows for efficient collaboration and helps streamline workflows in your organization. We hope this guide was helpful in simplifying the template sharing process for you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips and tutorials on using Docusign. Happy signing!